Welcome to Code World, the Awakening Chamber. Here I'll give you a quick tour of the space and how everything works. There are a few challenges waiting for you here, so stick with me. These glowing portals let us jump to other spaces. You'll also find guide bots in every space to help you move around and figure things out. This is your collectibles shelf. It shows your achievements and items. Come back anytime to switch your favorite wearable. Now, let's practice moving with a quick coin hunt. Click on the coin to collect it. Nice! Now try to find 4 more coins. You can move by clicking or tapping on the floor, or by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Have fun! Great, that's all 5 coins. You've just unlocked a new trophy on your shelf. Now that you can move around, your next mission is to restore the data crystal. 6 shards are hidden in this space and split between 3 roles. Each role can only see 2 crystal shards, so talk to each other to find them all. Let's pick your role. In this role, your job is to find 2 purple crystal shards and click on them. When every role has found their shards, the task is complete. Awesome teamwork. You've restored the data crystal. Head to the trophy shelf to collect your AI-powered glasses as a reward. You'll need them soon. With your AI-powered glasses on, you can now see my friend AltAir. Lately, he's been saying he's human. Your next task is to find him and help him understand he's actually an AI.
Hello, fellow human. It's so great to see you. What's your name?
Well done, you have successfully convinced AltAir that he is an AI. Head to the trophy shelf to collect your AI-powered headphones as a reward. I'm impressed. You have completed all tasks in the Awakening Chamber. Now you can use portals to travel to other spaces.